If I mention social media strategy, what platforms cross your mind? Let me guess. You've probably thought of Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or TikTok because they're the best known. However, what if I told you that Pinterest is a winning card to grow your business? Yes, that's right. If you have a business, Pinterest can become your favorite social network for attracting new customers. There are more than 300 million people from all over the world connected. Forget about the assumption that Pinterest only works in the United States. More than 50% of users are from other countries. Pinterest is the favorite network to find new products as a prelude to the shopping cart. I am sure you're eager to get started. So let's review the following tips to make your brand stand out on Pinterest. Tip number 1, posting frequency. Pinterest pins do not expire. If you upload an image today, its algorithm will continue to show it for a long time. More results with less effort. Don't think you can upload 2 pins and then go to sleep. This platform appreciates that you're regular with your posting. Ugh, so that means I have to be entering another social network every day? Breathe. You won't have to be connected 24/7 to Pinterest to share your content. You can use Metricool.com to plan and schedule your pins to save your precious time. Tip number 2, post about topics that are trending. A tool called Pinterest Trends shows you what is trending among users. So do your research and write down all the ideas to apply them to your content. This way, you'll reach more people and have more interactions. Tip number 3, optimize and organize your Pinterest profile. On Pinterest, users can follow your account or follow one of your boards. So it is vital that you have the content you publish well classified and optimized with the most searched keywords to improve visibility. It'd be like categorizing the products of your store. Imagine that you have a brand that sells beauty products. In this case, you can organize your boards by makeup, skincare, dry skin, oily skin, etc. Tip number 4, add links to all your pins. Pinterest allows you to include a clickable link to all your pins, which is why it is one of the best social networks to bring more traffic to other sites. So take advantage of this feature and always add a link to direct users to your products. Tip number 5, use Pinterest ads. Advertising always helps you go further and achieve your goals, so allocate a part of your budget to gain visibility on Pinterest. And the last tip number 6, measure, and measure your Pinterest strategy. If you don't analyze, you won't improve. So start monitoring your performance from the first moment to know which pins work better, which ones are not so successful, and ultimately make better decisions. And to analyze and measure your results, you can count on your best friend, Metricool.com. Connect your account and voila! Are you ready to start your business strategy on Pinterest? We'll read your comments, and if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and activate the notification bell. Until next time, Metricooler!